Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add text into your Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add text into your Midjourney result, you just simply have to open your Discord application at first, and after that just simply open this Midjourney bot. Now, after opening Midjourney bot, just simply select any of the picture where you want to add text, and after that click into that picture. And then this remix option will appear into the top right side. Just simply tap into remix option, and now after coming into this remix section you will get to see so many options. Now you just simply have to tap into this bigger and smaller T option, and then you can easily add the text into this image. As you can see here, I have successfully added text into this picture. Now click to send button. This way you can easily add text into your Midjourney results. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.